Good day everyone. Today I will present on how climate change serves as a significant driver of biodiversity loss. Together we will explore its underlying causes, its devastating impacts, and the solutions necessary to address this pressing issue. Biodiversity encompasses the vast variety of life forms on Earth, from the smallest microorganisms to the largest mammals. It plays a critical role in sustaining ecosystems, providing clean water, food, and medicines, and ensuring environmental balance. However, climate change is disrupting this intricate balance, leading to habitat loss, shifts in species distribution, and ecosystem instability. This presentation will explore three major impacts of climate change on biodiversity: habitat destruction, ocean warming, and the overconsumption of non-renewable resources, and conclude by highlighting potential solutions to mitigate these effects. The impacts of climate change on biodiversity are profound and multifaceted. Habitat destruction, primarily driven by urbanization, is displacing countless species. Ocean warming and acidification are wreaking havoc on marine ecosystems, while the overconsumption of fossil fuels accelerates environmental degradation. Collectively, these factors are contributing to the alarming rate of species extinction we are witnessing today. Habitat destruction is a major consequence of urban expansion. Natural landscapes are being converted into cities, roads, and industrial zones, resulting in the displacement of species such as the Florida panther and the Iberian lynx. Furthermore, habitat fragmentation isolates populations, reducing gene flow and increasing their vulnerability to extinction. For instance, the monarch butterfly has experienced significant declines due to the widespread loss of milkweed, its primary host plant, in urbanized areas. Such disruptions underscore the urgent need for sustainable urban planning. Ocean warming is another critical challenge for biodiversity. Rising sea temperatures have led to widespread coral bleaching, as exemplified by the year 2016 mass bleaching event in the Great Barrier Reef, which affected over 90% of its corals. Additionally, ocean acidification resulting from the absorption of excess atmospheric carbon dioxide weakens shell-forming species such as corals and shellfish, thereby destabilizing entire marine ecosystems. These changes pose severe risk to marine biodiversity and threaten the livelihoods of millions who depend on healthy ocean ecosystems. The excessive use of fossil fuels accelerates climate change and its impacts on biodiversity. The burning of coal, oil, and gas significantly increases carbon dioxide levels, intensifying the greenhouse effect. This in turn accelerates habitat destruction, as seen in deforestation caused by coal mining in the Appalachian region. Moreover, the melting of Arctic ice due to rising global temperatures threatens species such as the polar bear, whose survival is intricately linked to its high sea habitat. Addressing overconsumption is vital to reducing the adverse effect of climate change. Despite these challenges, there are viable solutions to mitigate climate change and its impact on biodiversity. Sustainable urban planning, incorporating green infrastructure and wildlife corridors, can reduce habitat destruction and fragmentation. For example, Singapore's innovating green urban initiative demonstrates how development can coexist with conservation. The transition to renewable energy sources such as wind and solar is essential in reducing greenhouse gas emissions. Additionally, ecosystem restoration projects such as Australia's coral restoration efforts are vital for revitalizing damaged habitats. In conclusion, climate change poses a great threat to biodiversity with far-reaching implications for ecosystems and human societies. However, through sustainable practices, the adoption of renewable energy, and proactive restoration initiatives, these impacts can be mitigated. It is imperative that we act collectively and decisively to preserve the planet's biodiversity and ensure a sustainable future for generations to come. Let's work together to preserve the rich biodiversity of our planet. Thank you.